Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.
Hello all, this is KVT Ramesh, Executive Director, BNI Visakhapatnam region. I would want to talk about this initiative, great initiative from BNI Artha chapter from Hyderabad, Antarartha. I so love that name itself. It's so inspiring to see such kind of names and this kind of initiatives. So this is a one-to-one initiative from Artha chapter where they started doing one-to-ones with members and directors, executive directors across different cities from India. So I happen to be one of the participant in one of those days in one-to-one, and it's almost like a deep dive into somebody's personal and also professional life. That was so nice. They followed the same structure as a regular one-to-one we have in BNI, and also started asking questions where they'll have an opportunity to know more about that person and to have good and great business relationship with that person. And I so love this initiative. I started sharing it with a lot of other regions and members and directors of different regions. These kind of initiatives should come from chapters and members. I really like this initiative. All the best, Athens. You are great inspiration for a lot of chapters across India. Super.
Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.
Hello, my name is Mahua Gorthi. I'm a business coach and author by profession. I really want to thank BNI Artha for the one-to-one which they did with me. So this is a new, kind of an initiative by BNI Artha where they group of 20 members, they do a one-to-one with one person. And luckily last week it was me and I was on the hot seat, all the 20 BNI Artha members talking to me and taking the one-to-one in the same flow. I have noticed two things. So during this one-to-one process, one is I felt extremely comfortable sharing my business, sharing my personal life with all the 20 of them. So this can definitely take our relationship to the next notch and where we can very easily discuss business among ourselves. Now, second thing I noticed is this group of 20 people, 20 members, even they are getting more and more bonded during this one-to-one. So I definitely recommend this kind of an initiative from any chapter.
Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.
Good morning, BNI. My name is Hari Vinnakota. I'm the Senior Director Consultant for BNI Hyderabad region. It's actually my pleasure and privilege to have been interviewed by BNI Artha members, almost about 15 members. They actually did a one-to-one with me. They asked me so many questions, my personal, professional. They actually grill me to get it out of the system, what I do, or how I can be of any help to the community. So it's been a great experience to me having one-to-one done with all these 15 of them from BNI Artha members. It's my pleasure. Thank you very much. I must thank Prabhakar Mangina.
Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.
I was extremely pleased. I was very skeptic when I first was asked for this one-to-one. But then after attending the meeting, I was extremely pleased the way Naresh conducted the meeting. Then Charan, Dr. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Vishwanath, Kapil, Raju, Menon, you, all of them, you really made my day. I'm extremely pleased, and that is one of the best times that I have spent in the recent past. I loved that session. Thank you.
Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.
It was really an honor and privilege to interact with 15 business owners of Artha chapter on a single platform at one time. It was an opportunity to have a deep dive into my own life and share it with others so easily. Fascinating part was answering to their questions about how to continue on a path of personal development. And very interesting part that I came to know was they have a 5 a.m. club, and one of the members supported me in starting that. And you know what? I'm continuing with it. Thank you, Artha chapter.
Antarartha, Soulful Conversations.